Hello guys, so again it's another vlog. So today's vlog, I'm gonna show you how I simple clean my camera and lenses. So again, ayan, iyan lang natin. I will do time-lapse type of cleaning, but again, I'll show you what materials I'll use for cleaning my camera and lenses. So yeah, first let's start now guys. I have the blower. Yeah, it's very important guys. I have the blower so you can blow some of the area which is you can brush. For example, ayan, I have also the brush guys. Actually, there is you can buy a full set of this in AB World. We have Zeiss cleaning kit. Yeah, but because I lost my brush, I use another brush, guys. But it's work perfect fine with this brush. And of course, the most important is the microfiber. And you have the microfiber, guys. Use microfiber, not the um, any cloth. Must be microfiber. Yan. Kung wala kayong microfiber, you can check on your eyeglasses. Yun. It's already included with the microfiber. So, and guys, yan. Again, if you want to avail the cleaning kit solution, it's available, guys, in AB World. You can check the Zeiss cleaning kit. Yun. So, it's complete already with the liquid, the brush, the blower, and the microfiber. So, ayan, guys, let's start clean my camera here, guys. So, tara. Yan, and that's it for today, guys. Again, we done cleaning our cameras and lens. So I suggest, guys, always use a proper tools, guys. For example, at least you have the air pump, yan, para ayun, to remove some dust in the yung di naabot natin na area. So ayan. Again, at least you have a two brush again, guys. Two clean brush, one dry and one for the sa liquid. Yan. So, and of course, the microfiber. Ang dumi-dumi na ng microfiber natin. Ayan ang ating microfiber. So we can rewash again, guys. Again, use the microfiber, not ordinary cloth or something. Kasi ito talaga, especially for the glass, ayan, microfiber is the best for cleaning about the glass. So ayan guys, I think that's for today. Again, I recommend if you want to have the cleaning kit tools, we have available in AEB World, the size cleaning kit. So it's complete already with the liquid, air pump, and the brush. And of course, yung ano natin, microfiber. Actually, I have a brush, but I lost the brush, so I got another brush. But it's okay. It's still it's working fine, and it's good, guys, to have another brush. So, ayan, guys, this is how I clean my gears. So, ayan, I often clean my gears every 3 months. Yan, parang ganun. Yung mga gear natin, di ba? Mukha na naman siyang fresh. So, every 3 months, or, yan, ang sproto natin, di ba? Lens, ang ating Leica, yan. At least every 3 months. Even if you didn't use your camera, guys, still you need to clean your camera. Kasi, for sure, there's a dust and, yan, likabok nga. Dust na likabok pa for your area sa bahay niyo, di ba? So, ayan. Still, you need to clean your camera and gears for your photography, guys. So, ayan. Hanggang dito na lang, guys. So, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shout out to all the admin members ng Team Positive. Kay OFW, Biyahero, shout out Pops. Sa ating PVK 2.0 na si Robert Garecho na Palaboy OFW. Check nyo yung channel niya, guys. Nag-ano na siya ngayon, okay. So, kasama natin siya minsan sa mga okay vlog niya. And si Brian Puntanar, congratulations, Bri. Kay Brian, bagong kasal, bye. Congrats. At, yun, kay Julius. Yan. So, unti-unti, sasama si Julius sa amin. So, again, guys, hanggang dito lang. Again, if you want to clean the sensor, especially the sensor, guys, I recommend to, dalhin nyo sa service center, sa mga local service center nyo. Because the sensor of the camera is very delicate, guys. So, ayan. I don't suggest to clean by yourself, guys. Even me, still I'm learning to clean my sensor, but time to time, guys. And more practice, of course. Because it's not easy to clean the sensor. Especially, this is the main part of the camera. This is the main important part of the camera. So, ayan. From the body, from the lens, it's okay. You can clean by yourself, guys. Ayan. Madali lang siya. But the sensor, I suggest you can go to your local area, which is yan, yung mga shop. Yun, guys. So again, ito pa. Shoutout pala kay Bululs TV MJC. Yan. Pops, maraming salamat sa support mo dyan. At yun, shoutout sa'yo.